Hello, my name is Amir, your maths teacher, and today I am going to be showing you how to find the formula of any 2D shape. Let's get right into it. Here are the area formulas. For the circle, the formula is pi r squared. I'll explain all of these formulas later on in the elaboration. Let's continue. The formula for the rectangle is length times width. The formula for the triangle is base times height divided by 2. You with me so far? The formula for the square is length squared or length times length. And lastly, the parallelogram's formula is base times height. Let's elaborate. So, to begin with, we are going to be finding out the area of circles. As you know, the area formula for a circle is pi r squared. So I'm going to write it down in bracket form, as to me it makes me seem smarter. And yeah, it's more easier to understand. So, a equals to pi brackets r squared. The a in the formula is area, as we are finding out the area. The pi is pi, and the brackets to convey that we are multiplying. So, let's continue. So what I did next was I substituted in the values, which was coincidentally only the r, which makes the equation pi times 5 squared, as the radius, as shown by the diagram, is 5. Then I went ahead and simplified it to make pi times 25, or 25 pi. In my opinion, 25 pi looks better than pi times 25, but it's your opinion. So then I went ahead and put in the numbers on my calculator, multiplied pi by 25, and got a rounded up value of 78.5. Here is an example which I would like for you to do in your workbooks and cross-check with the answers that are going to be portrayed in a few seconds. So pause right now and cross-check and carry out the equation. Now let's carry on with how to find the area of a triangle. So, as you know, the area formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. In the diagram, the base value is 6 and the height value is 5. So, let's write this down. A equals to BH divided by 2. As you know, we always write down the formula before substituting in the values, as we want to show the examiner what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why we're doing it. I then substituted in the values, 5 as the height and 6 as the base, which gave me a value of 30 divided by 2, which I wrote in its own clause as it is a simplified version of the above clause, which gave us the statement that the area of this triangle is 15 units squared, or 15. Here is another example for you to carry out. As always, do this in your workbook, cross-check, and pause right now. Now's the time to find out the area of any parallelogram. So, the formula is very simple. Base times height. No divided by 2, nothing. Just that. So, what you want to do is you want to put in your formula, a equals to base times height. Then you want to substitute in your values, 5 times 6, and that's it. So, the area of this parallelogram is 30 units squared, or 30. As always, it's going to be an example which I would like for you to do in your workbooks and cross-check. Pause right now. So, now to find the area of rectangles. The formula, as you may know, is length times width. So, what you want to do is you want to put in A, standing for area, equals to length times width. Then you want to go ahead and substitute in your values, 7 times 9, which gives you the statement that this rectangle has an area of 63 units squared, or 63. Up next is an example which I would like for you to do in your workbooks and cross-check. Pause right now. Lastly, the square, which, I'm sorry to say, is the least, as it is the easiest. The area formula for this is L squared, or length times length, which means that basically whatever number you see on this square, you square it. But let's go into more detail. How you want to do this is a equals to length squared. Then you want to substitute in your values, which makes it 5 squared, or 5 times 5. Then you want to simplify it, giving you the statement that this square, or any square, equals to 25 units squared, or 25. As always, it's going to be an exemplar, which I would like for you to carry out, and that's it. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as I did put a lot of effort into this video. And yeah, it's maths and stuff. Peace.